And one of the other questions we've gotten is, when I installed the Mercury or the Flushport Quick Connect by C-Mule, I noticed it dripping, but I didn't notice it dripping out of my OEM plug. One of the things that I've noticed on this plug is it's got a concave surface to it. So what happens when the water comes out of this one?
So again, you can just look at the holes here. When the water is weeping out of here, it's going to fall along the curve of the cap, which a lot of times when you just got back from running your engine, you're going to see water there and you're going to think that's normal. Or it's just a little bit of residue that shot up from when you're running. With the extension that the Quick Connect fitting gives you, you have that hole a little bit further out, and so it kind of gives you more of a visual of that water weeping out.
So if somebody does have that issue with water coming out of the cab, what do you recommend?
Contacting your dealer. A lot of times if that check valve fails the wrong way and you connect your flushing hose, you're not going to get water to the block. So that'll be a good telltale if you don't have any water coming out of the exhaust at the lower unit or out the
P hole.
The P hole, pretty much.
Well, man, I certainly appreciate your time today and answer those simple questions.
No problem.
Really appreciate it.